Choosing the right kind of bread is crucial for diabetics, as traditional white bread can cause undesirable spikes in blood sugar levels. Here's a countdown of the 5 best breads that are more suitable for those managing diabetes. At number 5, we have a far superior alternative to traditional white bread, especially for those managing diabetes: whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread is made from grains that have not been heavily processed, thereby retaining the natural fiber, vitamins, and minerals of the whole grain. The key advantage of whole wheat bread lies in its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for diabetes management because it slows the rate at which glucose is absorbed into the bloodstream. This gradual absorption helps prevent the rapid spikes in blood sugar levels that are often associated with eating refined carbohydrate foods like white bread. By ensuring a slower and more consistent release of glucose, whole wheat bread helps maintain steadier blood sugar levels throughout the day. When choosing whole wheat bread, it's crucial to select options that list whole wheat as the first ingredient. This indicates that the bread is genuinely made from whole wheat flour, rather than being predominantly made from refined white flour with only a small amount of whole wheat added. Additionally, it's important to check for breads that have no added sugars, which can negate some of the blood sugar stabilizing effects of the whole grains. Whole wheat bread not only serves as a healthier option for those looking to control their blood sugar, but also provides a richer, nuttier flavor and a more satisfying texture than white bread. It can be used in a variety of ways, from a hearty base for a breakfast toast, to a robust complement, to a balanced lunch sandwich, making it a versatile staple in a diabetic-friendly diet. By making the switch to whole wheat bread, you can enjoy the benefits of a tastier and more nutrient-dense option that supports your health goals. At number 4, rye bread stands out as a robust choice for diabetics seeking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Made from whole or dark rye, this type of bread is significantly higher in fiber compared to traditional white bread. The benefits of rye extend beyond just fiber. Its composition includes a range of nutrients that collectively support better blood sugar control. The fiber in rye bread plays a crucial role in diabetes management. Fiber slows the digestion process, which in turn reduces the speed at which glucose is released into the bloodstream. This slower absorption rate helps prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar, which are particularly harmful for diabetics. Additionally, the high fiber content in rye bread promotes a feeling of fullness for a longer period, helping to curb overeating and manage calorie intake, a helpful factor for weight control. Research supports the benefits of including rye in a diabetic diet. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that rye bread causes a lower rise in blood sugar compared to wheat bread. Participants in the study also reported feeling more satisfied after consuming rye bread, which can reduce the likelihood of snacking between meals, a common issue that can lead to blood sugar imbalances. Rye bread's dense, chewy texture and distinctive flavor make it an enjoyable alternative to lighter, more refined breads. When shopping for rye bread, it is essential to choose products that list whole rye flour as the primary ingredient and are free from added sugars and unnecessary additives. This ensures you are getting a product that maximizes the health benefits and aligns with a diet aimed at stabilizing blood sugar levels. Incorporating rye bread into your diet offers a way to enjoy bread without the typical glycemic consequences associated with white or highly processed breads. Whether used for hearty sandwiches or simply toasted with a spread of avocado, rye bread can be a delicious and healthful part of a diabetic-friendly diet. At number 3 is a traditional German bread that offers significant benefits for those managing diabetes: pumpernickel bread. This dense, dark bread is made from coarsely ground whole rye grains, which not only give it a unique flavor and texture, but also contribute to its low glycemic index, GI. The lower a food's glycemic index, the slower it raises blood sugar levels, making pumpernickel an excellent choice for maintaining stable glucose readings. The advantages of pumpernickel bread extend beyond its low GI. It is also rich in fiber, which further aids in blood sugar management by slowing the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This slow release helps to prevent spikes in blood sugar levels and also contributes to a feeling of fullness, which can help prevent overeating and support weight management efforts, both important factors in diabetes care. Additionally, pumpernickel is packed with essential nutrients such as magnesium and selenium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including those involved in the control of glucose and insulin secretion, while selenium is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the body's cells from oxidative stress, which is particularly prevalent in individuals with diabetes. Pumpernickel bread's robust flavor and satisfying texture make it a versatile and enjoyable component of a diabetic diet. It pairs well with a variety of toppings, from traditional choices like smoked salmon or cream cheese, to simple spreads like butter or avocado. When selecting pumpernickel bread, it's important to choose varieties that are true to the traditional recipe, made with whole rye grains and without added sugars or unnecessary additives. Incorporating pumpernickel bread into your diet provides a way to enjoy the rich, savory flavors of a quality bread while still adhering to a diabetes management plan. It's a wholesome choice that supports not just blood sugar stability, but also overall health, thanks to its nutrient-rich profile. Securing the second spot on our list is sprouted whole grain bread, a standout choice for those looking to manage their diabetes with smart dietary options. This type of bread is made from whole grains that have been allowed to sprout, a process that enhances the bread's nutritional profile and lowers its impact on blood sugar levels. Sprouting grains initiates a natural process where the seeds begin to germinate, leading to an increase in nutrient levels such as vitamin C, B vitamins, and antioxidants. It also breaks down some of the starches in the grains, which means the resulting bread has a lower glycemic index. This lower glycemic load is crucial for diabetics as it means the bread will cause a slower, more controlled rise in blood glucose levels after it's eaten. The benefits of sprouted grain bread go beyond just a lower glycemic response. Sprouting increases the levels of enzymes in the grains, which can help improve the digestion and absorption of nutrients. This makes the vitamins and minerals in the bread more available to the body, enhancing overall nutrition. Additionally, sprouted grain bread typically contains a higher proportion of protein compared to regular bread, further aiding in blood sugar regulation by promoting satiety and reducing post-meal glucose spikes. Sprouted grain breads, which can include a variety of grains such as wheat, barley, and millet, offer a complex, nutty flavor and a satisfyingly chewy texture. They are versatile in use, making them perfect for a hearty sandwich toasted with avocado, or simply enjoyed with a spread of almond butter. Choosing sprouted whole grain bread is a wise decision for anyone, especially diabetics, looking to maintain a balanced diet. Its enhanced nutritional benefits support not just blood sugar management, but also contribute to overall well-being, making it a top choice for a health-conscious diet. When selecting a loaf, look for options that list sprouted grains as the main ingredient and contain minimal added sugars and unnecessary additives. Topping our list at number 1 is flaxseed bread, an exceptional choice for diabetics due to its rich composition and health benefits. This bread is crafted from whole grain flours combined with flax seeds, both of which are integral for managing diabetes effectively. Flax seeds are a powerhouse ingredient, particularly because of their high content of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in cardiovascular health. This is particularly beneficial for diabetics, as they are at a higher risk of heart disease. The omega-3s help reduce inflammation throughout the body and improve blood lipid profiles, which can help prevent cardiovascular complications. The fiber in flax seeds plays a critical role in glycemic control. It slows down the rate at which food is digested, thereby helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent spikes after meals. Fiber also enhances digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and helping to maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is important for overall health. Flaxseed bread also benefits from the whole grains used in its making. Whole grains are full of nutrients like B vitamins, iron, magnesium, and selenium, aside from fiber. They not only help in regulating blood sugar levels, but also support general health. Given its nutritional profile, Flaxseed bread is not only beneficial for those managing diabetes, but also for anyone looking to improve their diet. It is versatile and can be used in various ways, whether as a base for a hearty sandwich, toasted with a bit of olive oil for a delicious snack, or even as a side to a balanced meal. When buying flaxseed bread, ensure it is made with actual whole grains and real flax seeds, and avoid those with unnecessary additives or sugars to truly benefit from its natural properties. And that wraps up our countdown of the 5 best breads for diabetics. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content designed to help you manage your health effectively. Don't forget to check the labels for added sugars or unnecessary additives, and get creative with healthy spreads and toppings to boost the nutritional value of your bread. Let us know in the comments below how these breads have worked for you, or any tips you have for making them a part of a balanced diet. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos, and thank you for watching. We hope you feel empowered to make informed choices about the foods you enjoy. See you in the next video.